This is the Garmin livescope. Don't know if the video's good or not, but this is what I came up with. Corbella's quick draw. This shaft came off of a old Mini Coda I had the wires glued down, turn all the way around. If you guys know, I'm familiar with these Scotty downrigger pole holders. I have the lock so it doesn't pop off. Then I have the pole holder. Then I have the twist. And the reason why I made this is because my Mini Coda Trova, I don't like the way it mounts on there. And I can actually have it facing towards the side when I'm fishing for black bass or whatever direction, and I let the trolling motor do all the rest. And you have the quick connect, and I can turn around and put it in the lock position and twist this off, and I can actually put it over here and then strap it down and tie this back up, or I can put it on the other side. So this is the idea I came up with. I left this knob here, if you're familiar with it. It came off the old Mini Coda. And this is what I did. I had this reinforced. Then I reinforced this. You have to go with the metal one. And the reason why is because the plastic one had too much play. So what I did is I cut it and then screwed it down. I hope this gives you an idea. If anybody else came up with anything better, I'd like to see what they got. But this is what I came up with. I've used it a couple of times and I actually like it. There you go, fellas. This is for the Garmin panoptix.